Hello everybody, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video we're gonna make a easy Christmas wreath. So we're going to be using this Christmas wreath frame. I got this from Hobby Lobby. This measures 24 inches and the regular price is $14.99. Right now everything Christmas should be around 70% off. And first we're gonna start off by fluffing our wreath frame. Just gonna fluff it up really quick. I want to say thank you so much for watching my videos, for subscribing, and if you haven't done so, if you would like to subscribe, give it a like. That'll really help me out to make more future videos. I don't know if you can tell the difference when you fluff your wreath. So it looks everything more open, and this side I need to work on it. So just move everything until it looks the way you like. Vamos a hacer una corona muy fácil. Este es un método muy fácil para hacer una corona que pueden hacer para su puerta o si quieren regalar a alguien que ustedes conocen para que decoren su puerta de Navidad. Entonces nos queda más o menos así. This is how it looks. It's fluffed up and now we're going to work on it. So I have this bow that I made in a previous tutorial. Hice este moño en un tutorial previo. Si gustan mirar mis videos, pueden mirar este tutorial muy fácil de hacer de cómo hacer este moñito. Lo vamos a poner en el centro de la corona. Si se fijan, atrás de la corona tiene dos aros de metal. Entonces lo voy a amarrar como en la parte de medio. Con estos. Okay, so we're gonna tie our bow on the front side of the wreath, and this is the metal. It has two metal bars, and we're gonna tie it on this side. So it's like the middle metal right here. This is our little bow, así se mira nuestro moño. Ahora vamos a decorar todo alrededor de la corona. Now we're going to decorate all the wreath. I will be using the same ribbon that I used for the bow. Vamos a utilizar el mismo listón que usamos para nuestro moño. Y voy a agregar este sólido, es un color dorado sólido. Así combina junto con este. So we're going to combine this ribbon with this one. So this is a thinner ribbon and this is wider. So all we need basically is ribbon and scissors. And we might add a few ornaments. These ones, I believe I got them from Hobby Lobby as well. I used a couple of ornaments last year. So we're gonna start on the right side of the bow and then go all around our wreath frame. Vamos a comenzar desde nuestro lado derecho del moño y vamos a trabajar todo alrededor de nuestra corona. Como pueden ver, amarré los dos listones aquí junto con el mismo material de la corona y luego cruzamos y amarramos y luego del lado opuesto, y así vamos a ir repitiendo lo mismo todo alrededor. So basically all I did is I tied the ribbon with the same wreath material, and then I just crossed the ribbon and tie it again, and we're gonna repeat the process. So we're gonna alternate. So this gold here, so now it's on this part is gonna be on this side and then on the other, so just keep crossing the ribbons. This is how it's looking, so you can leave it as is. You can also add a Christmas sign here if you have one, or you can add a piece of ribbon across, or actually some ornaments would be a good idea. So we'll be using my Gorilla hot glue gun. I'll be using this one to glue my ornaments. Also, let me know in the comments down below what kind of craftings you would like to see. I know for Christmas crafts we're almost gonna be over, since with crafting we go a little bit but it's based on seasons, so we try to go ahead of every season for you guys, for the videos for you guys to watch. So maybe for Valentine's, let me know when you would like to see some Valentine's crafts. If you'd like to see something different other than wreaths, I can do that, or just based on wreaths, or maybe do like a go to Hobby Lobby with me, a little vlog. We can do that too. Just give me some ideas so I can brainstorm and think what I can do different here on my channel, what other videos I can make. So that would be really helpful. Also, you can follow me on my social media. I have Instagram, TikTok, I also have Facebook. I will post the link down below. Thank you, and let's continue with the tutorial. Normally my bows have tails, but this one doesn't, so I'm just gonna add some tail to this bow right here. So this is the final look of our golden Christmas wreath. I hope you guys like this tutorial. It's very simple, very easy to do. And Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Este es el final de nuestro corona, de nuestro tutorial. Espero les haya gustado, es muy fácil de hacer. Si les gusta todo dorado, pueden arreglar más decoraciones si gustan, o si les gusta algo simple también. Y muchas gracias por este tutorial. Espero les haya gustado y nos vemos en el próximo video. Bye bye.